How's it going? How's it going? How's it going, YouTube? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Sorry I have been a little bit MIA. I am in a different setup. I'm not at my usual setup at home. But nonetheless, we gotta go. We gotta work. I gotta make content for you guys. So here we are, guys. So reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. I'm your go-to guy. My name is Pessane. For those of you that is the first time coming across my channel, and I'm a UX UI designer. So I basically help you guys and guide you guys through the UX UI world, how to go on about designing, the fundamentals, and then you can take your levels from up there and always upscale them, right? As well as your services from later on. I basically teach you every single design app that there is there to learn, but our main domain here is Figma, right? From here, once in a while, we always dive into other softwares as well, such as Google Stitch, other new ones as well, but we'll go through really in-depth knowledge of how to do all these other things around it, right, guys? So for today, guys, we have here our let's just put this in. We have here our mobile app for services, right? So basically, like overall services, you want to purchase a service, basically that's what we're going at here. So without any further ado, let's jump into this, right? So we start off with like F for frame, or press F for frame, right? F for frame. When you come here on your right, design frame, let's just say I say iPhone 17, right? Let's delete this. Home screen. There we go, right? So let's just do this, round the corners. 20 seems like a bit low. Let's try like a 50. Yeah, 50 seems solid, right? Now R for rectangle again. Let's just round those corners. Let's select color, put it like that, right? Now let's get O. It's like we're gonna use this as a gradient, guys. Don't worry, it's going to look nice. So trust. What we're gonna do is, let's try here white. Let's try here like 20. Oops, let's try like 20% visibility. Let's try 10%. All right, cool, perfect. Now let's get our usual navigation, usual tab here to top. Let's get this here going. Boom, there we go. Now let's check out our fonts. What font did I use here? Enter T for text. Start here, your location. Then let's say we're in San Antonio, Texas, right? Let's get our icons. Right click, plug in icons, huge icons. Let's get our location icon, and let's get our drop down icon. Right, cool. Now let's just place these appropriately. 10. This one, let's make it white. Let's actually make whatever color this one is. Let's just select this white here. Okay, cool. Now R for rectangle. Let's just round those corners to like a 10. Let's make it, let's add a stroke, white, and then remove the fill. No, let's make the fill actually white as well. White, but then go down. We already have this. Let's just get it here. But basically you guys can just get it from any icon library that you guys want, right? So what are we gonna add here? O for circle. Okay. Then this one, select, right click, plugins, UI faces. Why? I'm putting an avatar there. There's popular, human, it's loading images. Why is it taking long, guys? Meanwhile, it's fine. Let's just copy paste this. Right, let's just go to Unsplash. Let's say portrait woman. Doesn't matter. This one looks fine. Let's go back to Figma. Select this one, upload from computer. There we go. This one is 37. Let's try 37. Let's try the 40, this one. Not bad. Right, here we go. Cool. Now, take the drop down menu over there, put it over here. Put it over here. And there we go. Cool. Now, R for rectangle. Here we go. White. T for text. Search for a device. No, search for service. Just copy paste the icon over here, right over there. Cool. Now the nice parts. Let's take this, like this image, just put it over here, then T for text, your solution, comma, one tap away. Put it all in bold. No, just put it in enter and then put bold like that, right? And then T for text, seamless, fast, and seamless, fast, and services at your fingertips. Bold, make it slightly smaller, something like a 16. You can't see that much, so let me just take this, put it there. Twelve is much better. R for rectangle. Let me just get this, put it here in the corner. Select the other part as well, put it there, select here, (16, 14). I text explore. Services, categories, view all. R for rectangle. There we go. Let's make this 10. Make it white. Go down, effects, drop shadow. But don't make it too let's just put it down X, Y. There you go. Blur. Let's just put it on like 6. Right? Let's just maybe reduce a bit. Right? Cool. T for text, hairdresser, and then you do something like that, right? And then you get your icon, and then you get your other icon such as this one. Copy there, copy paste, Command C if you are on MacBook, and Command V, right? And then if you are on Windows, it's Control C, Command V, Control C, Control V. Perfect, right? So I'll just delete this and then I'll just copy the other one, this one right here. There we go. Put in the middle, make it slightly longer. Let's make this 16. What is the width? 142. Cook. Just get a cookbook over here. Right over there. Okay. This one. There we go. Then select these three, Control paste, popular services. Just get our nav bar here at the bottom, then I'll show you guys how to go on about that. And let's get this part as well. Which is R for rectangle, center back, and this part, close it over there. Now how do you go on about all of these? For that one, you go for R for rectangle, go like corner radius of 20, make it white, make this part white, give it a drop down shadow, known as stroke. Yeah. Blur. And then R for rectangle, put it over there, something here, 20 or 10 or 8. Take an image, place it over there. Let's go down the splash again. Let's just go cleaning. Go back to Figma. right click. Another way you can add, let's just select here, image, upload from computer. There you go. And then put it like a 20 then. Then we get something like that. Right, cool. And then you get your icons at the bottom and you do something like that, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's episode, guys. We will be back with many more. I'm at a different location again, but don't worry, all our episodes are still gonna come out. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching my episode and my YouTube channel, guys. I really appreciate you guys taking the time. My name is Pessane. Reach out to me, guys, if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. I'm your go-to guy, and I'll see you next time.